Everyday is an adjective meaning common or normal, and it always comes before the noun. The internet has become part of everyday life. In the course of my everyday life, I had very little contact with teenagers. Our everyday reality is a grand illusion, a dream metaphor, which we are creating. When people are in love, they are able to leave everyday life behind. Death was an everyday occurrence during the Civil War. To ensure that this happens, I try to make writing an everyday activity. Every day is used as an adverb and means each day. He cycles to school every day. I want to enjoy and be thankful for every day of my life. If you practice every day, your skills will improve. Strive to make every day joyful and meaningful. I just don't want to spend all day every day on it. I saw her every day while we were in college. Technology is advancing every day. Live every day as the last day of life.